Hey guys, I know I haven't made a video in a while, but I'm glad to tell you that I'm going to be coming back to YouTube. And to start out with, which the van's a pit, but I'm going to redo my bed. I'm going to make it the long way. I just can't stand this wide way. So first I got to take this out. Then I'm going to cut this in half to 2 foot. I cut my bed in half last night. So I can make a little couch thing, and I was doing a bunch of sewing. Totally sucked, but yep, I'll just update you as I go here. This ain't easy. Got it in there really tight. I should just cut these seat belts out. Yep. Just gonna cut them out. It ain't easy to cut. I am cutting them with an axe, I guess. But I know it's a sharp axe. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh. Yes. That's a bitch. She's out. Well, my buddy called, so we're gonna go down to the river and check out if there's any fish biting yet, because it's like flooded and all the snow melting, you know. They come upstream, the walleye, so we'll see if they're biting. Maybe I'll bring the camera along, but here's how far I got on the van. I just got my bed cut up, and I don't know, you know, it's just redoing it, but thanks for watching. Bye. This river is always like way down there. Now it's all flooded up here. Jeez, I can't believe you drove up this far. I guess on that side you're trespassing, huh? Well, we'll be back if we catch a fish. Here's a look at the Mitchell Spillway. It's really flowing over after all the snow melts. So you know, this thing just trickles or doesn't flow over all summer.